Okay, so I figured out how it will work. So what you have to do, and I'm going to sneeze here in a minute, I'm pretty sure. What you have to do is you have to record each page separately. So what you do is you come over and you grab the next page, and then you click record. On the day of the big game, all of the families came to watch. Carlos helps the team win. Becky brings a cake for the team. Everybody wins. And then go up, click done. And so every single page has a recording on it. As soon as it uploads, I will show you how it works. Carlos joins the team. Carlos likes to play baseball. He plays catch with his little sister, Selena. The baseball coach asks Carlos to join his team. I'm so new in this school, I don't know the kids here, says Carlos. Okay, so then you advance and the next recording starts. In theory. Okay, well that didn't work like I planned it to. At school, a girl named Becky gives Carlos a card. The card asks him to come to her birthday party. Oh no, Carlos says, we have a big game that day. Maybe I can come to your party instead. Okay, then the next. Carlos asks the coach if he can miss the big game. If you don't come, the coach says, your team will be missing a player. I should not miss the game, Carlos says. The team will need me. On the day of the big game, all of the families came to watch. Carlos helps the team win. Becky brings a cake for the team. Everybody wins. And then go up